in the sky. Look, it's a giant bird.
It's a plane.
It's Superman.
Faster than a speeding bullet. More powerful than a locomotive. Able to leap tall buildings at a single bound. Look, up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Superman.
Up in the sky. Look.
It's a bird.
It's a plane. It's Superman.
Look, up in the sky. It's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's Superman. Yes, it's Superman.
Look, up in the sky.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
No, it's a message for me.
It's a bird, it's a plane, it's Superman.
It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a lower middle class Irish family.
Look, up in the sky.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's Superman.
Look up. It's a bird. It's a plane. Just kidding. It's a plane.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No. It's Supermarket Man!
Look, up in the sky.
It's a bird.
Yeah, but what's it sitting on?
Is it a bird?
Specifically a pigeon. Is it a plane? No, it's Dean King, aka Superman!
Is it a bird?
Is it a plane?
Is that guy wearing my underpants?
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's the latest craze sweeping the Pennines.
You know, and there was a thing in the paper saying, is it a bird? Is it a plane?
Everybody look! Up in the sky, it's a bird! It's a plane! It's... the lubed up butt mutt!
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a stupid dead bitch.
Is it a bird? Is it a jay?
Yeah. Is it a bird?
It's a bird. I know it's a bird. I'm on the phone.
Look, it's a bird.
No, it's not a bird.
It's a bird.
Yes, it's a bird.
No.
The car.
You think it's a bird?
Well, this time it's a bird.
It's a bird.
Oh, it's not a bird, it's a plane.
Bird, it's a bird.
It's a bird.
What a knucklehead.
Yeah, well, I think it's a plane.
It's a bird.
It's not a bird.
It's a plane.
Is it a bird?
Yep, it's a canary.
Is it a bird? It's a canary.
Is it a bird? No.
It's a plane, isn't it?
It's a bird, you know.
Oh, it's definitely it's a bird. It's a bird of some
It's
kind.
definitely a bird.
So, it's a bird.
More like an alien zombie bird.
It's a bird, isn't it?
Is it a bird? Is it a plane?
No.
It's Crypto the Super Dog. Oh, and Superman's here too.
There in the sky. It's a bird. No, it's a plane. No. Super American.
That is a bird.
Oh my God, it's a bird!
Look up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's a duck.
Look, up in the sky!
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
I am so out of here!
Oh, is it a bird?
Yes. Wait, it's a bird.
It's a bird.
No.
It's a plane.
What is this, a bird?
Seriously? It's a plane.
It's a bird.
It is a bird, you're absolutely right.
Oh, yes, that's what it was. It was a bird. It's a bird.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's...
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's Superman.
It's a bird.
It's a plane! It's a flightless bird in a plane!
It's an airship. It's not a plane, really. More like a zeppelin.
What the hell is that?
Is that a bird?
Is it a plane? No, just a guy in a pair of tights and a cape.
Is it a bird or something?
Rob, come here! It's a plane! A plane! A plane!
No, it's a bird.
Is it a bird? Yes.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's just me being awesome again.
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Superman!
Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Del Boy!
Up there in the sky!
It's a bird!
It's a plane! No! It's Super Duck! It's a bird.
Is it a bird?
It's a plane. It's a bird, so I don't know. Just look.
So it's a bird?
No. Is it a bird?
Yes.
Okay, it's a bird.
What is that? It's a plane.
What the? It's a boy. A boy in a tuxedo.
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a 79 Ford.
Look, up in the sky.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's a bird. It's a big, big bird, okay?
It's a bird. It's a plane. I should stop getting distracted by what's up there.
Look, in the sky, Chief.
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
No, look, it's... You wanted to see me?
It's a bird. Sharp claws.
It's literally a bird.
Then the train was the bird!
It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a dwarf with a jetpack. Here's Gizmo!
Look up in the sky! It's a bird! It's a plane! I forget the rest.
Up there in the sky!
It's a bird!
It's a plane!
It's Super Duck! Look! Up in the sky! It's a bird! It's a plane!
The mask?
No! It is Super Salad Man!
It's a bird, a stork.
Uncle John! I don't know what this last symbol is!
What's it look like?
It's a bird! Stop!
I know that one!
It's a bird if I got
It's not a plane. It's a bird.
Oh, it's a bird.
You know, like Superman, you know when they go, is it a bird, is it a plane? No, it's Superman.
Ooh, look! Up in the sky, it's not a bird.
Or just some random guy.
Up there. Is that a bird?
It's a plane.
It's my boyfriend.
Hi, I'm Ray.
Look, up there in the sky! It's a bird! Nah, it ain't a bird, it's a dive bomber.
No, it's Super Rabbit.
Look! Up in the sky!
It's a bird.
It's a plane.
It's a frog!
Not bird, nor plane, nor even frog. It's just little old me, Underdog.
What is that?
Oh, I don't know.
Is that a bird?
I don't think it's a bird.
What's that up in the sky? Is it a bird? Hey, is it a plane? Oh, it's a little man.
Look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane. Nah, it's just me and the damn thing changed.
Why do people who see Superman first think it's a bird? And why do they feel the need to say it out loud? Look, it's a bird. I mean, who says that?
Say, Pedro, that thing in the sky, is it a bird? Is it a plane?
Nah, that is the gringo pussycat.